See? Part 6! I got 10! Part 6.
Bozo. Ken in grade 2 has part 15, so it's part 16.
Fine. Part 6, I'm just gonna put.
16?
Yeah, I'll put that. Bro, my bag! He pulled my bag out.
Lapis pa lang wala dito. Dito nilagay yung mga lapis ko ngayon. Kung wala dyan, wala na akong magagawa dyan.
Hey! Collab! Collab!
Pinapakabilis ako para makauwi na kayo.
Oh, my bag.
Sige na, balikin mo nga po ah. Balikin mo nga.
Let's go pull up! Yeah! Bro got his lap out.
O, tara na.
Let's go.
Sir, tuloy na kami, sir. Okay. Okay.
Let's go. Collab. Part 7. Ay, part 16.
Part 16, wala na tayo po si address sa Friday.
You don't have phone?
Yeah.
Wala kang cellphone?
I have 3 phones,
Grounded.
bro.
Nag-grounded pa lang.
What?
Oo nga. Ito pa lang, Gray. Yari ka ngayon. Wala ka. Nag-grounded pa
When
lang.
I actually broke this Bozo's grandpa's phone.
Lagot ka.
Actually,
Your dad's old.
Eh, si Mama. Bumabalagbag
Let's go
yan.
to random
Asawa niya.
class. Random class. Random class, I told you. Random class, bozo.
no random class.
Bye. No. No random class.
We're going home.
Yeah, bye. Subscribe to Unamar Fan and Gaming Master and subscribe to
Guys!
to Real and subscribe to
I
Angry
literally
One.
lost my account because this YouTuber told me to sign in. Bro, what the?
Ay, tara na, yung principal.
You cannot video?
Ah, bro.
In Gaming Master,
I also cannot find your account.
it's called Angry One. I got banned, bozo.
I searched Ken1, but it's not working. Bro, it's not working.
Angry One.
Gray,
Yeah, bye.
Ah!